What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to resize an image file. I have my image here and I wanted to reduce this image to a smaller size. Here you see the 10.9 MB size with the 6000 by 4000 dimensions. I want to reduce this image to a smaller size, and there is a simple application in Windows. All Windows version operating systems it contains. This is Paint application. With Paint you can resize your image file to the required size. And I'm going to use this Paint application to resize my photo, my picture, and here it is. I'm going to open this one with Paint. You can also drag and drop into Paint, and then you see here this is a bigger size file with 6000 by 4000 dimensions. As soon as you open this file, you can see here File, Home and View buttons. So I will go to Home and here is Resize. Just click this one. You can resize in two ways. One is percentage and the other one is pixels. So pixels, you can select what pixels, and for horizontal direction it automatically reaches 1000 automatically. It selects. So it is 16:9 picture size based on the dimensions it is, so it automatically adjusts the other dimension. If you see percentage, just I want to reduce it to 50%. Just select what you want to, what percentage you're done. So it is reduced. Now I will save with a different name. The file size is resized so that I can show you how much it is reduced. Now I will go here where I saved my file, and if I place my cursor, it says 1.08 MB with 3000 by 2000. So it is exactly of the size of its dimensions. That's it. Did you find this video helpful? If so, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.